Automotive companies in China are gearing up efforts to reduce their carbon dioxide emissions. A company called Jinbei Yanfeng, located in Shenyang, the capital of China's northeast Liaoning Province, is manufacturing interiors for car makers such as BMW Brilliance and Volvo. The Chinese company is committed to using recyclable materials in producing the vehicle's door panels.
从生产工艺上来讲，我们选用了很多的这个环保的这个生产工艺。
We've used lots of green materials in our production process, such as waterborne adhesives that are environmentally friendly. We're using many renewable materials to cast car parts. We even have a material research institute which gives us suggestions every 3 months in our material selections.
就选用很多的这个可再生的这个原材料，用于这个我们这个产品零件的这个生产。
The upstream car makers are also taking measures to shift to more sustainable means of production, such as purchasing their power from green electricity suppliers who generate their power from clean energy sources such as wind, hydro or solar. One of the largest car manufacturers in Liaoning Province, the BMW Brilliance, said that in the next 10 years, it will lower the carbon dioxide emissions per vehicle from supply chain by 20%. And by 2030, it expects to reduce carbon dioxide emissions across the entire life cycle of a vehicle by at least 40% compared to 2019 levels.
Our future plan is, of course, to increase the reduction in the supply chain. So in the supply chain, we have to focus on raw material, we have to focus on circularity, and we have to focus on green energy too. So with raw material, we definitely have to find proper ways how to more efficiently use the resources to come down from the CO2 footprint from steel production, aluminum production or battery production. For the second topic, for circularity, we have to increase the reuse of material. The green energy have to be transported also into the supply chain, that also our suppliers use the green energy to reduce the carbon emission in the supply chain.
China has pledged to reach peak carbon dioxide emissions by 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. In laying out its economic priorities for 2022, the Chinese government is pushing for further promotion of recycling, pursuing more efficient use of energy sources, and enhancing people's awareness of green and low-carbon lifestyle. These mean new guidelines for auto companies' production operations and new opportunity for their development.